This is the real Tom Rose, and we need to work our way through this one carefully. So a square has a diagonal of length r. Okay, let's draw that. A second square has twice the area of the first. What's the perimeter of the second? So what happens when you double the area of a square? Let's just learn a couple of things about squares. Suppose I have a square of side length 1. The area of that is what? 1 squared, which is 1, right? Area equals 1. Now suppose I want to double the area. I want a square with an area of 2, right? The sides need to be not 2. 2 squared is 4. So they need to be the square root of 2. Right? If area is side squared, the side is the square root of the area. So if the area is 2, the side is root 2. Well, one thing that we just proved here, well, we demonstrated here, is that if you want to double the area, right, you multiply the sides by root 2. This also keeps for the diagonal. It's really any measurement of that square, right? If you want to double the area, you multiply it by root 2. So if the bigger square, now in this problem, has twice the area of the first square, the diagonal should be r times root 2. Just like over on this square, right? We want to double the area, so we multiply the dimensions by root 2. Now, what do we want to do? We want to find the perimeter of the second square. So you want to use the fact that this is a 45, 90 triangle. You can use Pythagorean theorem if you want, but ooh, that's going to be a bear. But if this, for every unit length of diagonal, the side will measure root 2 over 2. So let's take r root 2 and multiply it by root 2 over 2. That is the length of a side. But now we don't want a side, we want the perimeter. Perimeter for so in a square, when you have the length of a side, the perimeter is 4 times that, right? You have that 4 times. So you multiply that by 4. This will be our answer. That's perimeter. So root times root 2 is 2. So this is r times 2 over 2 times 4. Or r times 4, which you can also write as 4r.